YouTube. Wow. What are we working on today? Well, I got a job building a trellis. It's actually kind of a triple trellis or a triptych trellis or something. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's, let's take a look at it real quick. These are the, this is a drawing I knocked out for it. So it's, this is a 1/4 by 1.5 flat bar frame here, and then it's like just these little vertical pieces. I think they're 1/8 by 1/2 or something. They're not very big. And then there's 2 posts. I'm not entirely certain how I'm going to build this. I need to first start with building these frames. I got 3 of them, so I got to start with how to build these arches. I know a couple of different ways to do it. Actually, I guess first thing I need to do is just start cutting material. So I can go ahead and cut these posts. That's easy enough. The little finials here, they're right over there. Yeah, still not real sure how I'm going to do these. Yeah, sometimes I come up with these ideas and I don't fully know how I'm going to build it before I draw them. But anyway, that's the job, and we're going to get started. Alright, I want to take a moment to explain what I'm doing here. I don't have a proper ring roller for doing flat bar or anything else really. This is the Harbor Freight Tools ring roller for doing like tubing. And so the dies that come with it, it comes with for doing 1-inch tube, 1.5-inch tube, and 2-inch tubing. And I don't have anything for doing flat or square or anything like that. I think they make a set for doing like 1/2-inch square or something. I don't know. But I need to roll this 1/4 by 1.5 inches. I don't know if this is going to work for certain. What I've got here is I've got the upper roller is for the 1-inch round tubing, and you can see it's riding on the outer edge of the roller. And then the bottom rollers, the bottom dies are for the 1.5-inch tubing, so it just catches it. Don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try it and see what happens. So let me go get a wrench so I can tighten the screw and start running it and see if we can get at least close. It doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be close. I don't think I could get any closer than that. Perfect. All right, it's the next day. Let's see, how far did I get? We got all the frames built. We got one of the trellises actually, the field done. I had to run out to the steel yard because I didn't buy enough of this 1/8 by 1/2 inch material. No idea why I didn't. I went back and whatever math I did, I just didn't do it right. I don't know what happened, but anyway. Gonna get these finished. There's a change in plans. I may, because this thing is so big, it's about 8 foot by 8 foot, at least the trellis bit, and what I may do is, and you saw the drawings, so there's the center section and then the post, and then each side has another wing of this. What I may do to make it more manageable, and which means I got to run back up to the hardware store here at some point, I may make it where the wings bolt on, just to make it more manageable. And I'm not even sure if I have the paint here. Oh God, do I have the paint? I may have to buy paint too. So anyway, that's what we're doing. That's where we're at. I got to cut some more material, so let's get started. I think that's it. That's a pretty typical project for me, and so like when you ever ask yourself why I'm not posting videos, I'm probably doing something like that. Or something completely different. You just never know. I'm going to try and get some better photos of it. They're going to install it, I'm thinking pretty quickly, so I'm hoping they'll pick it up tomorrow, maybe not, but hopefully they'll pick it up in time so I can put photos of it actually installed. at the end of this video. Gosh. One other thing, for those of you that are looking for more content and stuff like that, I've been putting stuff on Patreon. There's a link somewhere at the end of the video down below. I don't know where it's at, but there's a link to find my Patreon. I think it's patreon.com/ohmygarage Anyway, if you're interested in additional content, I'm still uploading stuff. I'm still finding things to put there, but putting things like drawings and PDF files and things like that up there. So if, you know, it's right now, it's pretty sad. The only patron I have is my mom. So thanks, Mom. Anyway, that's it for this video. So until next time, bye.